guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today's video is going to be a look with the One Size makeup collection from Patrick Starrr. If you're interested in how I created this look, I am wearing a mask today, so please excuse all the non-foundation stuff. But yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I have my little headband on. And I mean, I got goodies. I'm so excited. Okay, so I ordered this the day it launched, and I've been wanting to do this. I wanted to film it right away, but just my life was not working with me. So you could, for now, that's fine. I'm sorry, my daughter's here. So I'm going to focus on eyes today because I am going to Home Depot. So I am not going to be giving myself a full face of stuff. I will do a little bit on my eyes. That way I can kind of play with the palette, the eyeliner, and maybe one of the little liquid eyeshadow. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm going to keep this packaging. I like it. So this is what the palette looks like. It has this angle detail. I love this because if you have nails, you could see it better this way. It's just hard to open some things, you know what I'm saying? So, oh my gosh. This palette's super pretty. Like, look at that. Look at that. Oh, yes. Okay. Oh, there's so many colors in here. I love... Okay, so immediately the one that calls this color right here is calling me. It is calling my name. And that blue, ooh, I love the little imprints. They're super cute. Okay. Ooh, love that. I'm gonna put that over there. I have my son helping me because my daughter's outside with my husband. So we're gonna start with the first row and then move down like so. So the first one is Manila Sands. Top of my game. Brownie, Suede Charm, he's so tan that you can't even tell, and Turban Legend. Those swatch pretty good. I mean, you can't really see this one because he's so tan, but yeah, thank you. Then we're gonna do the next row, which is Title Holder. Ooh, that's so pretty. Soft Serve, Everything, which is one of my favorite colors. All of it. I love the name of that. That's super pretty. And Blue Mondu. Okay, and we're gonna do the last row. Okay, which is Mango, Booked, Walnut Strut, Matcha, ooh, that one's pretty, and Rebel Gray. So that there is the palette swatched. Now also we're gonna do the eyeliners and the liquids. So I guess we'll do the eyeliner first. The pen eyeliner, that's the swatch there, and then I only did the black pencil. That is so creamy, like, oh my gosh. Okay, I only got 4 of the liquids. I didn't get the black one because I was like, well, what's the point of me using the black? But really quick, this is the pen liner carton, and then this is the pencil. I like how he has the colors of whatever it is that you're buying on the top, which makes things super helpful. These are for example, for the liquids, those, I don't know if you guys can see that. Those are the tops there. So it kind of gives you an idea of what you are grabbing. Okay, so we're gonna do, tilt your arm up. Yeah, like that. No, just angle it. Thank you, baby. This is Let's Pump, which I believe is his like champagne color. That is gorgeous. Oh my God. That's what I have on my eyes today, or I'm going to be using. Then there is P House. Lay it flat, baby. Ooh, pea house, I'm just gonna go. Oh, that is pretty. Why didn't I use that one? That's like a, I don't know what color that is. It reminds me of like a rose gold. Next is Everything and More, which I believe correlates with this pink shade here. So I'm gonna swatch it next to it. So we can really see if it, oh, it does. Ooh, that's one of my favorite shades. I think that's one of the main reasons why I bought this palette. And then this one is Continental, which I'm gonna put it next to this gold right here just to see, maybe that correlates as well. No, it goes more with the green. Oh my gosh, that's pretty though. Ooh, so it goes more with that green shade. I forgot what shade that is. But yeah, so those are the swatches. I'm really inspired to use this blue, so I'm gonna use that on my bottom lash line, and then I'm gonna start with this just as a little base on a big fluffy brush. Just gonna, you can just put that right there, baby. Ooh, give me some. Okay. Then my next shade, I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with the taupe color. It says taupe of my game, which is that one right there. And I'm just using the same large fluffy brush. Ooh, okay. So first thoughts already, there is some kickback, but you know what? That's okay. It's not a lot. Thank you, my helper. And I'm just putting it there in my crease towards my brow bone. This is gonna be my first transition. Actually, you know what? It might have been me because I was digging too hard in the pan. So I think I'm going to go in with either Booked. I really don't want this to be too dramatic. I think I'm gonna use Booked, which is this warm shade there. And I'm gonna use the same brush, but this time I'm gonna focus it more in my crease and on the outer corner, a smidge. Lighting it up a little bit. Like I said, we're gonna keep the top part super neutral because I want that blue to be the pop on the bottom lash line. Okay, basically got all of the glitters or liquid, but I didn't get the black one. That's the only one really that I did not get. Continental. And I like how on the boxes they actually show you the shades of what color it's supposed to be. So that's helpful. I didn't even notice. Like, I'm opening it, I'm like, so I'm just gonna go in with this on the top of my eyes. I've never used anything like this, so this is gonna be super interesting. Oh my God. Wow, that's pretty though. That feels really nice. And it doesn't feel sticky. That is super pretty. In person, like the glitter reflex stand out a lot. Just want to get a brush to help blend that a little. Ooh, that's nice. I like that. I like how you can build it up. That is nice. I didn't realize. Oh, that's super easy. Ooh. I really like these. Oh, this is super pretty. And I don't typically go for cool tones, but I'm loving this. Dang, can you guys see that? I think that's so pretty. I love it. So far, I am impressed, and I haven't even used like all his stuff yet. That is super nice. So I'm going to quickly put on some under eye concealer. I'm not going to put on any foundation really because I am going to be wearing a mask. So it really doesn't make sense for me to be doing all that stuff, but I really wanted to do this thing, and then we'll go in with the eyeliner. I did my concealer. I already set everything. I'm going to go back in the palette. And using that same brush, I'm just going to clean off whatever's on it. I'm going to go back in with Manila Sands. And I just want to help diffuse the edges a little bit on the outer portion of my eye. So I'm going to go in with my bottom lash line in that blue Mondu, which is this pretty like sapphire or royal blue shade. I'm getting like stuff all over me. And I'm also going to bring it up just a smidge as a liner. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense or not, but smaller brush. I'm going to go in with Manila Sands and help diffuse that smidge. That's better. That was a strong shade. Go back in a little bit with that blue on the top. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't mind up here being strong, just not the bottom. That's better. All right, so now we're gonna do liner. I did get the liquid liner or the pen liner and then the pencil. I didn't get the one in brown, I got the one in black. So this is Bodacious Black. Oh my gosh, I can't even open it. Why? What is up with my hand? It's because I opened it up wrong. From the top, Adrian. From the top. Okay, so this is, I got it on my hands. This is the pen. And then I have a Zip and Seal. Which I'm gonna go in my waterline with. Now typically when I go into my waterline with a pencil, it fades. So I'm curious to see how that's gonna handle that. I'm gonna go back in with Let's Pump, and I really wanna get my inner corner over here. Okay, let's go in with the liner. Then we do some lashes. Okay, ooh, I love how it's super long. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I like that. I like the shape of that so far. Ooh. I really like this. This is nice. That is so easy because I have to do such a thin line because my eyes are small and they are a bit hooded. They're not that bad, but I do have a slight hood and my eyes are uneven. So I need like a really precise line and thin. This is by far one of the most easiest eyeliners I've ever used. That is insane. Okay, let's do... That is so easy. Huh. That's insane. I've never done eyeliner that fast. And I like how you put more pressure on it and the thicker you can make it. And that is handy. Oh my god. I just did a wing without even it. Oh my god. Normally I'm way slower. That's insane. What? Wow. This is going to be my new go-to eyeliner. That's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to put on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is a finished look. Again, I did not do foundation or anything because I'm going to be wearing a mask out today. So let me put you guys a little closer. Excuse all my acne. This, I think the colors, overall thoughts so far on this collection. I love this collection. I think my most favorite is the eyeliner because it was so easy to use. This was super easy to apply, super easy to blend and layer. This collection is really nice. And so far, the eyeliner in my waterline has not faded at all. I love the design. I love how original this is. It's so him. I'm so proud that he finally came out with his own makeup line. I haven't tried his makeup removers yet, but I'm pretty sure they're probably really good because this was good. So yeah, those are my final thoughts. That wraps up this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, drop a comment down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and wherever else you guys can think of pollinating my videos. And I'll catch you in my next video.